How to color human hair wigs. The ultimate professional guide to DIY dyeing. Buying a human hair wig is an investment. It's not just a purchase. It's a commitment to a look, a style, and a feeling of confidence. But sometimes, off-the-shelf colors just don't match the vision in your head. Whether you want a fiery copper, a subtle balayage, or a jet black refresh, knowing how to color human hair wigs correctly is the difference between a stunning transformation and a ruined, tangled mess. While human hair wigs behave similarly to natural hair growing from your scalp, they lack the natural oils and regeneration capabilities of living hair. This makes them more susceptible to dryness and overprocessing. In this comprehensive guide, we will walk you through the elite techniques used by professional stylists to dye wigs safely, ensuring your unit stays soft, shiny, and vibrant. https://how-to-color-human-hair-wigs-to-dye-dye/. #RawHairLuxury. #color human hair wigs. #dye human hair wig at home. #watercolor method for wigs. #best hair dye for human hair wigs.